Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Automates Today. We're diving deep into one of the most talked about machines in the heavy equipment world, the 2025 CAT D10T2. This beast is Caterpillar's latest evolution of the legendary D10 line, and let me tell you, it doesn't just live up to the hype, it redefines what brute power and precision engineering look like in modern dozers. If you've been around the construction, mining, or heavy earth-moving industry, you already know the D10 name carries serious weight. And now with the 2025 model, Caterpillar has taken everything operators loved about the older machines and dialed it up to 11. So strap in, because we're about to go full throttle into what makes the D10T to the king of the dirt. First off, let's talk about power. This machine runs on the CAT C27, a CERT engine, delivering up to 766 horsepower. That's not a typo. 766. That's more than some commercial airliners. Whether you're pushing boulders, ripping through solid rock, or moving thousands of cubic meters of soil in a single shift, this engine never quits. But raw power isn't where it stops. The D10T2 uses an advanced torque converter with a stator that gives you increased drawbar power and smoother operation, especially when transitioning between load types. That means less fuel burned, less wear and tear, and more productive hours on the clock. And speaking of fuel efficiency, this thing is engineered to squeeze every ounce of productivity out of every drop of diesel. With load-sensing hydraulics and improved airflow, you're getting maximum performance with reduced fuel consumption. It's no wonder large contractors and mining companies are lining up to get their hands on this model. Now let's talk design. The D10T2's blade design has been optimized to improve carry capacity and reduce spillage. You can spec it with the semi-universal blade, a dual tilt option for enhanced control, or the Dozer blade if you want to move ridiculous volumes of material in one go. Plus, the ripper system has been upgraded for deeper penetration and quicker cycle times, thanks to improved hydraulic response and smarter geometry. Operators are saying it's the most balanced, responsive D10 they've ever run, and it shows. You can see it in how it handles slopes, how it grips even in soft ground, and how it tears through compacted material like a hot knife through butter. Inside the cab, it's a different world entirely. Comfort, visibility, and control are the name of the game. The new suspension seat, customizable joystick control layout, and intuitive display system make it feel less like you're operating a machine and more like you're commanding a spaceship. You've got real-time performance data, load feedback, terrain mapping, and machine diagnostics all at your fingertips. And get this integrated CAT grade with 3D and optional auto carry tech means you're getting precise grading and load consistency with minimal effort. That's a game changer on any job site, especially when margins are tight and deadlines are tighter. You're literally cutting down rework time, reducing operator fatigue, and boosting your productivity by up to 25%. Depending on terrain and job complexity, safety also got a serious upgrade. The visibility from the operator seat is outstanding, and the 360-degree camera system helps eliminate blind spots. There's an automatic fire suppression system available, remote monitoring through CAT Vision Link, and optional remote control ready kits if you need to operate in hazardous zones. Every inch of this machine is designed not just to perform, but to protect the people running it. Let's talk durability. The D10T2 is built like a tank, and then some. Heavy-duty final drives, robust frame construction, and reinforced ripper mounts mean this thing is made to survive the harshest, most abusive conditions on Earth. Whether you're in extreme desert heat, sub-zero tundra, or wet, corrosive environments, the D10T2 just keeps grinding. And because it's built with modular components and advanced onboard diagnostics, maintenance is faster, easier, and less costly over time. You're getting more uptime, fewer breakdowns, and longer life out of every component. And here's where it gets even more interesting. CAT has really pushed hard on sustainability and tech integration for this model. The 2025 D10T2 is smart machine ready. That means it's compatible with autonomous operation platforms, remote diagnostics, and AI-assisted maintenance scheduling. You can literally get alerts for filter changes, fluid checks, and component where before they become a problem. The data feedback alone is worth its weight in gold for fleet managers and site supervisors trying to keep costs down and machines running full tilt. So what's the verdict? The 2025 CAT D10T2 isn't just a bulldozer, it's a statement. A statement that Caterpillar is still at the top of their game, pushing innovation while staying true to what made their machines legendary. It's more powerful, more efficient, more comfortable, and smarter than ever before. Whether you're a contractor looking to upgrade your fleet, a heavy equipment fan who geeks out over hydraulics and blade angles, or someone who just appreciates badass machines doing badass things, this bulldozer is something you've got to experience. And if you haven't yet had a chance to see one of these in action, do yourself a favor and check out a demo. The way it handles high-load ripping, the power it has on a push, and the finesse it offers on a precision gradites poetry in motion. If machines could talk, the D10T2 would be screaming, "Bring it on!" to every challenge a job site throws at it. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2025 CAT D10T2. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more content on heavy machinery, equipment reviews, and operator tips, hit that like button. Drop a comment below telling us your favorite feature of the D10T2, and don't forget to subscribe. We've got more behind-the-scenes footage, job site tours, and exclusive machine tests coming your way. Until next time, stay powerful, stay productive, and keep pushing dirt like a pro.